We're jumperoo ready.
In you go. Feet, down, now.
Now, what's that?
What
His
do we
feet
do?
don't touch. Our feet don't touch. So we need a block.
What do you do now? You need the
Let's
Bible,
see.
yeah.
Yeah, we need the 2 Argos catalogs. There's one's on the counter in there. Bouncy, 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 bouncy.
Now what do you do? Look at that. Now, get that lad there, he's a bit limp. Oh.
It's a bat.
Go on, grab him.
It's like, what is on my arm? It's freaking me out, man.
Look. Go on, grab him.
Yeah, yeah.
Look. Look.
Oh, somebody's tired.
Yeah, no, rub your eyes. Look. Cool. Cool, isn't it? Yeah. You'll bounce. Ready?
Ready?
Woo!
Woo.
Go to back up.
What's that like?
Turn around a little bit.
Yeah.
Check out another tie. Look at. You're like in
Look at
the
that one.
Captain Kirk's seat for the Enterprise. Oh. That's what you do. Oh yeah, watch. Oh, look at. Peekaboo Tiger.
Oh, he likes the sun, I think. Do you like the sun?
God, that's. Those feet going.
I said put the Argos catalog under there as well. It's in by the recycling. Oh, we got our feet touching. Nearly. Oh, yay! Knew that book would come in handy for something, eh? Now we're gonna bounce. Bouncy, bouncy.
Bounce.
Ooh! Yeah, it's a bit small. Oh, yeah. At least we'll get use out of it.
Aren't your feet? These are going to the back.
It's too big. He's gonna bounce himself out. What do I do now?
Woo! Come on, kill him.
This is gonna end badly with that big pillow under there.
These lads here. One behind you as well. That's it. Go ballistic in it. Deadly. You need to check out the other side as well.
Oh, he got it spinning.
Woo! Hit it again.
Oh, I think he's found a winner. Oh, we like that. Raise up that bird a little bit. Yeah. And for some reason, he loves suns and stars. Oh, where's that noise coming from? Yeah, that pillar's just too big. That pillar's too big.
What's this side? Look. Oh, watch your hand. Look, check out these lads.
Probably turn down the radio. We might be able to hear them. Oh.
Deadly.
Is that a monkey? We'll find something. That's not going to be any wider than the Argos catalog. Put the Argos catalog on one side and that paper, yeah.
We'll get there.
We will rise you. Oh, we're back to the sun. Electronic gizmos don't float our boat. Oh!
Now bounce.
He's trying to push himself over towards it. Twist him around there so he can get to it better. He wants that sun.
Get him. Get him.
Like the sun, do we? Yes.
Yeah, this lad here doesn't seem to make much noise.
I tell you, every time I go one way, he goes the other. Alright, you can stop that music.
Get it. Look, don't forget these lads up here.
Oh!
Oh, deadly. It's cool, isn't it?
What do you think? You better like it. We spent a lot of money on it. Mommy spent her vouchers on it. Her vouchers, her gift vouchers. Yeah. Yes. No.
And
Like
you can
that.
press that there. See, little tiger? Oh! Oh, you're going that way.
This birdie is the exact same as that birdie. Coincidence?
Boing,
I
boing.
think not.
Now you have to turn around a little bit to get to it.
Drool face on him.
Boing, 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 boing. It's deadly.
He's kind of like,
You don't know which one, you want both of them at the same time.
he looks so little in it.
Get the tiger. Get the bird. Go on, grab him. Grab him. Go on. He needs to go in your mouth. Boing, 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 boing. Now he needs some House of Pain so he can jump around. Jump, jump,
Let's
jump.
see something. What's the difference
I
between...
think it just activates the animal sounds, and then with the music and animal sounds, we hit one.
Alright.
It stops.
The other way, it just goes and goes and
I
goes.
think the music goes in the background. You hit one. Well, do we like it?
Can we get a smile?
Don't forget that lad there.
Yeah, I have a feeling that little bat is not... Be good for a chew toy.
Yeah.
Probably give it a wipe down though.
Go on, reach for him. Go on. He needs to go in your mouth. Oh. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, hello, Caleb. I want to see inside your brain. Nothing there, just like your daddy.
Oh,
Get him.
I beg your pardon. There's plenty there.
Oh!
Yeah, we got a little bounce there. Oh well, not so exciting for the folks at home, but next one will be better, won't it? You get used to it and learn how to bounce, 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 bounce.
I'm getting used to more of the colour of that. That's
I used to found somewhere to store my Archives catalogs. A use for them.
You'll have to add
Say
a few more toys to it.
Adios. Bye bye.